We're going to talk about privacy shade / keeping the RV cool. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Tiny Industrial, and we're doing a quick product review today. So this is my new RV, and I'm doing some upgrades, doing some additional features and things like that. Just gonna be a headlight video. I don't like this cloudy stuff. But today, so they sell these wraparound plastic liners. It looks like this when it comes to you. I haven't opened this up. I don't know if it's any good, but we're gonna check it out right now. The link for this particular item is in the description below. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase it, I will get paid, but other than that, I am gonna give you my honest review of this particular item, and if I don't like it, I'll tell you. Because I have integrity. Let's see. It's white. Smells like plastic, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Let's see, there's no instructions. Ooh yeah, they did say something about strong magnets. There appear to be magnets in here. These are for the mirrors. That much I know. So let's see if I can figure out how to put this thing on. Oh, right, and these go over the doors. I don't know, let's start with that mirror. All right, we're gonna get this over the end of the door. I think you're meant to open the doors. Oh, wow, really? That feels a little tight. Hold on, something doesn't feel right. That looks pretty good. This is a Ford E450. Let's see if we can get it over the other side as my shoelace becomes untied. Looking good. And, oh yeah. Boom. Magnet. Kind of liking it so far. Good. Pretty snug fit there. Let's get that Velcro on there. Wipers on. You know, it's a little wrinkled from being in a plastic bag for God knows how long. Pretty decent seal up there. Yeah, I think I like it. That's definitely serves the purpose. I'm gonna check it out from the inside next and see if it's actually sort of room darkening or whether it's fairly translucent. But either way, that'll keep the sun and prying eyes off the interior of your RV quite effectively. So yeah, so E450, this is a 2007. I believe this wrap works for pretty much any year of this particular model, but you can check that in the link below. I like it. I think it blends in pretty nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I think I paid 39 bucks for this. Let's check it out from the inside. All right, so that's what it looks like on the inside. I'd say it lets a fair amount of light through. I mean, the sun is hitting that windshield directly right now. It's pretty late in the day though, 5:30 p.m. For privacy and for keeping the interior a couple degrees cooler, I'd say that's a win. We're gonna give this a thumbs up, and I'm guessing that the wrinkles will work themselves out. So hopefully this has been helpful to you. There's more RV tips and tricks and product reviews available on my channel. If this was good, hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next video.